Alright. You got all the big gaps sealed up. Not big gaps, but more like stuff that would get drafts. Did that one too. And up there. So I got this foam board I think I'll cut out to fit in here and up there. And if it works out good, I'll probably do the sidewalls with it too. It was like $10 for 6 sheets. So let's see if we can't cut these up and fit them in there. I'm gonna slide that first piece of foam right down in there, but I gotta trim it around the wheel well. So I kind of scribed it out here. Well, if that isn't a perfect fit, I don't know what is. I'm gonna do the same thing on the other side. So I'm gonna take what I cut off, put it on top, trace it, cut it out. I like it. Got another piece of the foam board up. I got it propped up with a 2x4 because I put some spray foam behind there to hold it. I'm hoping once the spray foam hardens it'll kind of keep it there, but we'll see. Might cut another one for right here and then do 2 more right there. I had some extra pieces of this foam board, so I cut it out. These 2x will catch the plywood that's going to go across here for the bottom of the storage area, but it's looking really nice. I might run either just cut more strips of foam for that, or I'll run a 2x down. I'm not sure. And then I'm going to try to fill in these corners a little bit. It is about 90 degrees out, so I'm not really facing the camera towards me because I'm sweating like a dog. Today I've been working on the electrical. Get everything wired up. Someone's mad. You got these little 3M adhesive clips that just hold the wires. Those worked really well. Just got a spool of wire off Amazon. My battery's gonna go here, and then there'll be a countertop here, the water pump, the USB ports there. I got wires for the lights, the fans, everything. So the battery will be here, but right about somewhere in here I'll have a switch panel that all these wires are going to go to that'll be powered, and everything will run off that. So it's coming along good. Alright, I got the floor plan all laid out, and I got all the measurements I need to do the bottom part of the cabinet. I'm going to frame that out and then do some uprights and do the top. Well, the bottom's all screwed in. And then I put in these two uprights. That'll be the side of my shelves. The counter will come off. I haven't determined the height yet. Probably that body line. The counter will come off those. Come out, around. And there'll be a wall all the way up too. I kept going. So, this will be a wall. Back wall, sink somewhere, batteries going down there. This will be a wall. I think the switch panel is going to go right here. It's coming out so good. If you really sit back and think. I can picture it. It's a camper.